Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to sell products from Aliexpress on Shopify. The first thing you want to do after creating your Shopify account, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Add Apps. After selecting Add Apps, I want you to tap on Shopify App Store. Once in the Shopify App Store, you're going to tap on the search bar at the top of the page and I want you to type in Shopee. Once you have done that, I want you to select Shopee Aliexpress Dropshipping. And by the way, you can do this for completely free and you're going to tap on Install. After you have installed Shopee, you will be redirected to a page just like this. And from here, you're going to tap on Choose this plan for the free plan. And you can see with this plan, you will be able to import your first 10 products and you can also process your first 5 orders. So you can do this for completely free. So you're going to tap on Choose this plan. Then you're going to tap on the X right here to close the pop-up. Now that you have chosen the plan, all you'll need to do now, you can go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Find Product. From here, what I would recommend you do is open a new tab and go onto Aliexpress. Once on Aliexpress, you can search for the product that you would like to add to your store. Let's say this product, and we're going to copy the product URL. After you have copied the URL, you're going to go back into Shopee and we're going to paste the URL right here that we have copied. After you have pasted the URL, you're going to tap on Enter. Once you have tapped on Enter, you're going to see the product load up. Then from here, you can tap on Add to Import List. Once you have tapped on Add to Import List, you can see that product has been added. Then you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and select Product Center. After selecting Product Center, you can select the product as you can see right here. After selecting the product, all you'll need to do now is tap on the icon that says Push to Store. Then from there, you can select whether you would like to push as an unpublished product. I would leave that blank. Then I'm just going to tap on Push to Store. And you're just going to give it a few seconds. And then the product will be added to your Shopify store. It's as easy as that to import a product from Aliexpress onto your Shopify store. So if I were to go over to the top left hand corner and select products, you can now see that we have added the product on our store. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.